Hello children, how are you all? Today we are going to learn a poem. Which poem we are going to learn? We are going to learn Firefighter. Which poem we are going to learn? We are going to learn the poem Firefighters. So children, do you know who are firefighters? Do you know who are firefighters? Firefighters are people whose job is to put out fires and rescue people. So who are firefighters? Firefighters or firemen are people whose job is to put out fire and rescue people. Okay? Who are they, children? They are firemen. Who are they? They are firemen. And what is this? This is a fire truck. What is this, children? Have you seen this truck? So what is this? This is a fire truck. You can see, children, this siren. So this is a fire alarm. From here the voice comes now. And what is this? This is a ladder. On the truck they have a ladder. Okay, so what is this? This is a fire engine or fire truck. Who is he, children? Come on, tell me. Who is he? He is a fireman. And now what he is doing? He is putting out the fire. You can see fire, आग दिख रहा है. Now with what he is putting out the fire? With water. You can see water. आग पे हम पानी डालते हैं, आग बुझ जाता है ना. So firemen, what they do? They put water on fire. Okay. So again, who are firefighters or firemen? Firemen or firefighters are people whose job is to put out fire. What is this, children? This is a fire truck. What is this? This is a fire truck or fire engine. And who is he? He is a fireman. Who is he? He is a fireman. What is this? This is a fire ladder. What is this, children? This is a fire ladder. When there is a fire around or near a building or society, the firemen come. So they use the ladder. For what they use the ladder? They use the ladder for the tall building. So they can climb on the ladder and they can rescue people and put out the fire. And what do you mean by ladder? This, you know, ladder. What do you mean by ladder? Ladder means सीढ़ी. सीढ़ी पे हम चढ़ते हैं. So जब लंबा बड़ा बिल्डिंग होता है, फायरमैन सीढ़ी पे चढ़ के आग बुझाते हैं. Okay? And children, what is this? Again say, what is this? This is a fire truck. Fire truck means damkal. In Hindi we call damkal. So what we call fire truck in Hindi? Damkal. And he is a fireman. Fireman means आग बुझाने वाला. Who is he? Fireman. जो आग बुझाते हैं, अग्निशामक. We call them in Hindi अग्निशामक और आग बुझाने वाला. And what is this, children? This is a fire alarm. What is this? This is a fire alarm. When there is a fire around our house or societies, we see the fire engines are running and they make that noise, that alarm is bell is ringing continuously. So it is a fire alarm. Have you heard? Have you heard? Come on, say. Have you? Have you heard this sound? ये आवाज सुना है? So this is a fire alarm. What is this? This is a fire alarm. You want to hear it one more time? Okay. So what is this, children? This is a fire alarm. What is this? This is a fire alarm. Now next time when you will listen to this voice, this sound, so what you will say, that fire engine has come. That means somewhere around you there is a fire. And what is this, children? This is a fire hydrant. What is this? This is a fire hydrant. So what is a fire hydrant? A fire hydrant or fire cock is a connection point by which a firefighter can tap water in. Okay, so now you can see this hydrant. You can see this pipe, and from this hydrant the man is taking the water. You can see water, and the water is going in this pipe, and they will store the water in the truck. There is one storage box, so in that they store the water. ये पाइप है, पाइप में से वो पानी लेते हैं. ये दिस इज हाइड्रेंट. फ्रॉम देयर दे टेक वाटर, पानी लेते हैं पाइप में और यहाँ पे स्टोर करते हैं. ओके. And where can you see this fire hydrant, children? We can see this fire hydrant on public places. Okay, so where can we see this fire hydrant? We can see this on public places, streets. What is this, children? This is a fire hose. What is this? This is a fire hose. You have seen pipe. So like this, it is a pipe, and from here the water comes. You have seen pipe when you go to gardens or in your society, when the gardener is watering the plants, he use the pipe. So like this is a fire hose. It is also like a pipe from where the water comes. Okay, so again, see, this is a hose, from there water is coming. So again tell, what is this? This is a fire truck. What is this? This is a fire truck. Who is he? He is a fireman. He is a fireman. What is this? This is a fire ladder. This is a fire ladder. What is this? This is a fire alarm. This is a fire alarm. This is a fire hydrant. This is a fire hydrant. This is a fire hose. This is a fire hose. Now children, I will say the poem. First you listen and then you will repeat after me. Okay? The name of the poem, Firefighters. Down the street the engine goes. Down the street the engine goes. Come on, repeat, children. Down the street the engine goes. Down the street the engine goes. Again say, down the street the engine goes. The firemen fight the fire. The firemen fight the fire. Up the ladder with their hose. Up the ladder with their hose. Out goes the fire. Out goes the fire.